So you want to learn the intro to Master of Puppets by Metallica. Well, so do I. So I've been working on it and I want to share it with you. So here is the Master of Puppets intro tutorial. So to start with, you're going to play the open low E string and the second fret on the A string. That's going to give you a B. That's the E power chord. There it is. And then they jump up to the 10th fret and 12th fret on the E and A string. And then slide back one fret, and then slide back one more fret. So, open E, 10th fret. So this piece moves at 212 beats per minute. That's really fast. And they're using all down strums. So you're gonna be picking down the whole time, which is a challenge. I don't know if I can play this piece at full tempo, but I'll at least show you how to do it. And then I highly recommend metronome work. If you don't have a metronome, you can go to the App Store, or Android Store has it as well. Go get yourself a free metronome app and set it to 212 BPM. You'll see how fast that is. But I recommend starting slow. If you need to, start at 60, 100, 120, whatever you need to start at to play it cleanly, and then gradually get faster until you hit 212 BPM. All right, let's get to the next part. So you have that big opening declaration. I need to bring a quick correction. When I play these chords, throughout the video, you'll hear me add vibrato. Don't do that. My apologies, just keep it straight. And you'll be good to go. All right, let's keep going. And then what happens is, you're gonna start picking, you're gonna be at the open, and that's the pattern. Bum, 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 but it's really fast. So, open, open 12. And there's those three chords again, so. Let's move in a little closer. And now 7th fret. And there's that pattern. Open, open, 7, and then 6, and then 5. Once you get to the 5th fret, then it goes 5, open 4, open 3, open 2, 1. And then you get to the 2nd and 1st fret, and you don't go 2nd open, you go 2nd, 1st, and then you start over again. So all together, really slow. Now, the trick is, like I said, getting it all the way up to 212 BPM. I recommend slow, gradual practice, getting faster. So, you're gonna do that riff 4 times. And here's another really difficult thing about this piece is the riffs go right back into each other, keeping on that 212 beats per minute like a machine. I mean, these guys are awesome, let's face it. And right back into it. Well, at the end of this riff, you go into the second riff. So let's talk about that. So when you go through the first riff, you go through it 4 times, and then you get down to the end. So you come down, 3rd fret open, 2nd, 1st fret, directly into the next riff, which is E, 1st fret F, 2nd fret B on the A string. So you do that pattern and just change the note on the A string. Open, 1st fret, B, that's 2nd fret, open, 1st fret, 3rd fret, that's C, open, 1st fret, 4th fret, open, first fret, third fret, open, first fret, B, B. All right, we're gonna get closer up on my hands for this second riff. And again, fret-wise, open, 1, 2, open, 1, 3, open, 1, 4, open, 1, 3, open, 1, 2, 2. And again, all downstroke, palm muffled. So your palm's kind of bouncing on the strings a lot. See if I can get that in there. So when you're playing riff 2, there's one part that I did not accurately explain or demonstrate. I'm gonna do that real quick. After you do this, you play open E, first fret F, second fret B, open E, open F, third fret C, and then it goes F, E, then to the chords strum, slide, strum. Again, all together. And the tabs will be below in the description section. And so that's it. That's the first 30 seconds of the piece. So I'm gonna turn it up to full volume. We're gonna go slow. Then it goes right back into the riff, does it again. Then the drums come in and you're kicking off. You're at the 30-second mark there. So really the challenge is doing metronome work and slowly getting faster. So I need to do some more metronome work, clean it up, and gradually get faster and work up to 212 BPM. Thank you, Metallica, for such an amazing song. By the way, I don't own any rights to this. Obviously, this is just a tutorial for educational purposes. If you've enjoyed this, please give me a like and share it with somebody. Happy practicing. Remember, use that metronome work and you're working up to 212 BPM. If you were surprised that the Fender Champion 20 can get anything close to a Master of Puppets sound, I was too. I recently just did a video on how to dial in that sound. If you click right there, you can watch that. And if you click right there, as always, subscribe and hit the bell so that when you hit the bell, you'll get notifications as soon as I do another video like this. As always, thank you for your time. God bless. Have a great day.